Within the growing defibrillator network, it is becoming increasingly common for defibrillators to be undeployable, for example because electrode pads have expired, batteries no longer work or software is no longer up to date. Proper maintenance of a defibrillator prevents this. This is why Medisol has set up the AED Service Centre. In this professional service center we work according to the ISO 13485 standard, and all well-known defibrillator brands can be maintained and inspected. Customers with a service contract are therefore completely relieved of all concerns regarding defibrillator maintenance. We understand that as a Medisol reseller you will also want to offer professional maintenance to ensure that your customers always have a working defibrillator. Via our white label service portal we can now offer you the possibility to offer maintenance under your own company name, but performed in our AED Service Centre. This will offer you, as a Medisol reseller, to not only offer extra service to your customers, but also enable you to build up recurring turnover, because you will take care of the invoicing of the contracts, as well as the electrode pads and batteries that are replaced in time by us during the term of the contract. With Medisol's white label service portal you offer servicing, but without Medisol branding or logos. This applies to the appearance of the portal, as well as all communication and shipping. Here, as a reseller, you can display your own company information and logo. In the portal, as a reseller you can see your various clients and the location of their AEDs. You can manage per contract which emails the client receives and which ones you receive in your mailbox. In the admin, you can also create a login for colleagues so that they can also access the portal. Your customers will see your company logo in the convenient portal where they can schedule AED maintenance and view manuals. The benefits of the white label service portal are: offer professional defibrillator maintenance at the AED Service Centre to your customers in your own brand name. The portal can be set up in a language of your choice. Free choice of service contracts, bronze, silver, gold, platinum, or a combination. Make profits and build recurring revenue. Complete overview of all your customers who have signed a service contract. All AED data and inspection reports in one overview, according to the MDR. Servicing of defibrillators in remote areas, which is often not possible with on-site servicing. You and your customers can easily edit and manage appointments. If you would also like to use our white label service portal, do not hesitate to get in touch with us.